ingredients. Gonna make some raw. You say raw dairy products and everybody goes, what? So we're gonna make some raw eggnog. And of course, in that you have raw milk, raw cream, and raw egg. So be prepared to be unsettled by what you're gonna see. But I'm here to tell you, I'm not afraid. And this is gonna be delicious and nutritious and healthy for your gut because it has all the probiotics in there, because we here at the farm are raw milk enthusiasts. We go through a lot of milk. So don't be scared. If you are scared, find a different recipe. That's okay with me. Everybody has their own opinion, their own thoughts. It's all good. It's all good. You do you, I'll do me. But if you want this recipe, I'll put it at the bottom. And I think it's gonna be yummy. I'm gonna have it in my coffee and it's gonna be oh so good. I'm not really a huge eggnog fan as far as just drinking it, but I do love a good eggnog coffee. So hang out with me for a few minutes. We'll make this all raw. Don't panic, or don't, if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. But I'm going for it. Okay, we're starting with, this is a double batch actually, because I don't want to make just like a quart of it. So we have 4 cups of raw milk, 2 cups of raw cream. I've separated out 8 egg yolks. I'm going to use those whites and probably make an angel food cake because that sounds delicious and fun. So that's our start. Okay, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. A teaspoon of nutmeg. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whoa. I'm gonna back up. I'm doubling, so I'm gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Lots of flavor in this one. So a whole teaspoon. We're going to go back and add another teaspoon of our nutmeg. Lots of spice in this one. And this makes a 1/2 gallon. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to add my eggs in, egg yolks. Mess. All right, I'm going to pour this in here. Okay, I'm going to try this out in a pretty glass. Give it a taste. I'm way over here. It's eggnog. It's great. That is going to be so good in my iced coffee later today. So good. Awesome.